Pluto!
Oh, gee, I don't know what to tell you, Mickey. Nobody's here. Oh, hi, everyone. Hi. Oh, I'm Sam, by the way, and I'm Mickey's DJ and party planner and a whole bunch of other things around here.
Where is everybody?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my! What do we do?
Oh, I know.
What?
Let's go find them.
Buttons and bows! That's a great idea!
Sounds good to me, but I'd hate to leave everybody here all alone.
We don't have to leave them here.
We don't?
Say, do you want to come along with us to find Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto?
Alrighty, kiddos, then get up on your feet and show us your best dance moves, because we're going to take this party on the road.
Lead the way, Sam.
Luckily, I used to be a tour guide.
You don't say.
I do. Let's go.
Looks like everybody's late for the show.
Come on now, we can't take this slow.
Come with us, the search high and low.
Get on your feet. Let's go, go, go.
Everybody, let's go.
I can't hear you. Go,
Time to party. One more time. Let's go, go, let's go, go, go.
Gotta go house to house.
go. With Mickey Mouse.
Gonna go door to door.
Let me hear you go.
Gotta search north and south. From the west to the east till we find the ones we're looking for.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's a house party.
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party. When we all go knocking, there's no doubt.
We'll have a blast.
Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go. I can hear you. Time to party. One more time. Let's go, go, let's go, go, go.
So many things to do.
So much magic to make.
We can't wait.
Once we find our way to you, gonna dance, gonna sing, yeah, you know we're gonna celebrate.
1, 2, 3,
It's
4.
a house party.
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knocking, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast.
Got some fun in store.
Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go.
Almost there.
Go,
Close to Goofy.
go, go. Like 3 times, let's go, go, let's go, go.
Gosh, nobody's home.
Are you sure? I can hear him. Can you hear him?
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Goofy! Goofy!
Gosh, I was just about to hop in the shower.
Oh, you're late for the party, Goofy.
I am? Gosh. Let me turn off the water.
Alrighty. Hello.
Oh, wow.
You okay in there?
I think something broke.
Oh, well, luckily, I used to be a plumber.
Really?
Yeah, wait right here. I'll go take a look. There's no need to wear a frown.
Sam, my friend, I like that sound.
Makes me want to move around.
Come on, folks, let the rhythm down.
Can you hear the groovy beat? Come on now, move your feet. Clap your hands. Get up and strike a pose. Join us for the bubble bash. Let's all make a big, big splash. Dance around and show your style. All you need is a big smile. Whoa, whoa. It's a boogie bubble bash. All these bubbles are making me laugh. I'll have this mixed in a flash.
Stop, repeat, and wave your hands.
Dance around and
gosh. Let me change and I'll meet you back at the party.
Everybody say bye, Goofy.
See you soon.
See you there, Goofy.
Next stop, Daisy's house.
Let's go. It's our house party.
Get loud.
When it started, we'll find out.
It's our
House party.
With Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knocking, there's no doubt.
We'll have a blast.
Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go.
Almost there.
Go,
Find Daisy.
go, not 3 times. Let's go, let's go.
Daisy! Come on in. I need your help.
Oh, with what?
Gosh, it's kind of dark in here, Daisy. Can you turn your lights on?
I can't. The power went out. Oh my!
Oh, well, maybe I can help. You know, I used to be an electrician.
Gee, what can't you do?
Line 0.
Daisy? Over here. Where? Here. We can't find you.
Boy, it's really dark.
Hey everyone, I'm trying to get the power back on, but could you do me a favor? If you see Daisy, shout, Daisy! Lights off.
I cannot see.
What will we do?
Please come find me.
We're looking!
Look over here. We gotta tiptoe over there. We gotta peek everywhere. Where's Daisy? Mickey, Minnie.
It's dark in here.
What can we do?
Oh, these flashlights here are just for you.
Look over here. We gotta tiptoe over there. We gotta peek everywhere.
Where's Daisy?
Over here.
Do you see her?
Over here.
Really look high and low. They even have the help of a flashlight's glow.
We might have to take this party to go.
But where's Daisy?
I'm right
And I found the circuit breaker.
Oh, Daisy, I'm so glad we found you. Me too. Thanks for getting the power back on, Sam.
It was just a blown fuse.
You're so handy.
Say, Daisy, we need to get you to the party.
But first, we have to go find Pluto. You go find him. Let me tidy up, and I'll see you there.
Last stop, Pluto's house.
It's a house party.
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knocking, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast. Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air. It's that snow, snow, snow. Alrighty, everybody, raise your hands up high and try and catch those snowflakes. Alrighty, snow angels. Oh wait, we should probably get going if we're ever gonna find Pluto, right? Everybody, let's go.
Almost there.
Go.
Gotta find Pluto.
Where did he go? Oh, oh, he's under the snow. Oh, I think I can hear him.
We've got to get him out of there.
I can't even find the front door. What should we do?
Oh, beats me. It never snows in Southern California.
Oh, goodness, it's cold.
I wish we could warm up.
Sam, I've got an idea.
Uh-huh.
You're a DJ.
Yeah.
Maybe you can play some hot tunes?
Oh, cartoons. I like that. Hey. Oh, I think Pluto agrees. Alrighty, everybody. You see these thermometers on either side of us? We've got to raise the temperature up in here. So I need all the kiddos to get up on their feet and dance this out. Because we got to melt the snow. Come on, Mickey. Come on, Mickey. We've got to bring the heat. So move your feet. Let the beat take over your whole body. We need to warm up Pluto. Come on now, you know what to do. It's up to me and you. There's only one thing that can break us through. The ice. If we work together, maybe we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising when we're moving to the beat. We gotta melt the snow. We're running out of time. Let's hurry so our friends can leave. The snow is far too deep. Need to bring more heat. They can see the sun on the horizon.
Don't stop. Give it all you've got. Almost there.
Steam's rising in the air. We got the best thing to break us through the ice. If we work together, I know we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising. We did it! We're running out of time. Let's hurry down to Maple Street.
Good to see you, pal.
We gotta melt the snow. Come on, melt. The snow can't hear you, melt the snow. Hey, we gotta melt the snow. All right, Pluto, melt the snow. Go, Pluto, go, Pluto. Hey, we gotta melt the snow. Oh, so glad we found you, Pluto. See you back at the party now.
Lead the way.
Everybody, run, run, run.
Here we go.
Go faster.
Keep up. Déjà vu.
Now that we found all of our friends, let's get this party started.
And now, here he is, everybody. Our good pal, Goofy. And of course, Pluto. And now that we're all here together,
This is the perfect time. This is the place. Me and my friends are so excited. All right, so throw your hands high up in right, Pluto?
Bye for now.
See you later.